The Pearl Exchange is a creative hub for 18 to 35-year-olds living in Devon and North Cornwall. And it's all about giving younger people in the community a place to learn new skills, gain employability skills, socialise, and to kind of build their resilience. And alongside our creative programme that we run, offering free workshops, talks and events, we also provide funding for free counselling for 18 to 35-year-olds as well. So it's kind of all about improving people's mental health and well-being, but in this sort of like creative, holistic hub where everything's covered.
The Pearl Exchange as a whole and the work that they're doing for me has been like a really interesting opportunity to re-engage with a sort of like artistic, expressionist side of myself that I didn't necessarily feel comfortable engaging with, at least when I was younger. And then as I sort of grew into a young adult, if you want to call it that, or a young man, I lost the confidence in expressing those things, and the Pearl Exchange has been a really lovely place to re-engage with that. I think it's really filled a space for young people to engage with activities and opportunities that wouldn't otherwise be accessible to them. We've had silversmithing, the sort of things that might not be accessible to people on lower income or people without the sort of finance to engage with that.
For me personally, growing up in Bude, there is like a lack of things that are aimed at young people, and there's a lack of kind of creative community. I think there are lots of artists that live here, but they all kind of just work like in their own little studios. There's not that kind of same sharing of ideas and creativity that you get in maybe like a bigger city.
In the Southwest in general, if you're not into surfing or skateboarding and you're not into nailing pints in the pub, there's a reasonably limited sort of area of engagement in a sort of community space for young people. I
specialise in clothing and fashion, and so I've helped a lot of people to mend their old clothes, like their favourite jumper which they love that's now like torn apart. They can mend that and then they can go on, and they've got that skill then.
We had quite a lot of extra funding, which was great, and one of them was the Devon and Cornwall Resilience Fund. And we're all about building resilience. The Pearl Exchange is literally here to give our community something positive. The 18 to 35-year-old bracket in this area don't really have anything. They're sort of just expected to fend for themselves, and as a result, there's a lot of unemployment, or at least very low-paid jobs, seasonal jobs. Mental health issues are really rising, and so we're here to kind of give that demographic of people something really positive to look forward to have fun with. Which in turn is really helping our community, and it's made a massive impact.